Hey guys, it's Stella and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a huge ass Ezbuy unboxing haul. This haul is actually a collaboration with Ezbuy. Yes! They were having a massive sales for women's bags and shoes. And I picked up a bunch of things. I tried to pick up things which were below $10 to see what exactly is the quality like for such affordable products. All of today's items, I got them solely from Ezbuy's app. So I went in and click, I shipped it out. It reached me pretty fast in around 1 to 2 weeks. I just went to pick them up nearby my house, or if you want to, you can always opt for home delivery. So many things. I'm gonna just put this in front of me. Okay, first item. It comes with a dust bag. Right, I'm in the app right now to check out all the prices. This is a $10 bag. It is made of strong material, so that gives it a very casual kind of vibe. But at the same time, because it's square, it's very structured. And it also came with this. Put it at the bottom and that gives the bag even more structure. The material itself is great. It's not some flimsy straw material, and I like the words on it. It's like so simple. It's just like mercy. Just to show you guys how roomy this is, I have my laptop here and I'm gonna just like slide it right in. And it fits perfectly, and because how thick these bands are, it distributes the weight a little bit better. I can see myself bringing this to picnic and put like a shit ton of food inside. Okay, it's another bag. This one is a canvas bag. It's a mini tote sling bag. Sometimes tote bags just look so normal and boring. You can wear it sideways. So cute, like a student going to school. I wouldn't actually recommend it because it's quite thin. It's great for students who maybe use iPads, notes that you want to put, because this is definitely okay for A4 size. And because it's so roomy, after you put all those like study materials, your pencil case, and you can still put like a water bottle, maybe you can put a bento box inside. It's also great if you want to go to the zoo, go out with your kids, and you still need to bring important items like wet wipes, sunscreen. It's gonna fit all. This is $8.75, and for this price, I mean, this is like... I got them in 2 colors because guess what? They were like $3 each, and I couldn't pick which color I wanted, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get both. Picked one up in black and I picked one up in yellow. It's not just some canvas bag, it's cutlery material bag for $3. A great lunch bag if I don't want to look too auntie and just like hold this, but I have a strap also that I can look youngster-ish at the office. There's even like a little extra pocket at the front for you to put your things. It looks really small, but it's so roomy inside. You can put a bunch of things. I put my bottle in and I still have like so much space. Getting a bag with a more vibrant color will help to spark your whole entire outfit. Black one definitely looks a lot more toned down and not as eye-catching. Still a great bag for somewhere nearby that can hold a bunch of things like tissue paper, wet wipes, I don't know, digestive pills. It kind of looks like a tote bag, but like a smaller version of it. It's slightly different because of how the handles are details at the bottom, and the base is also rectangular instead of the usual tote bags which don't really have a base. Also, these straps. So what is unique about this bag is that you can either hold it like this, you know, just a regular tote bag, or that if you hold it sling, you'll realize that the bag is really floppy, and that is normal. 2-in-1 bag, and now it looks like this. For the material, I would say that it is slightly thinner. Finally, something that is not tote bag, something that is cuter, hopefully. This one should be a chill one. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is a crossbody mini sling bag, and I picked it up in a nudish shade with pink undertones. Listen to how sophisticated it sounds. And you flip it up. Compartment over here. There's a little bit of a detail over here which I'm loving so much. I don't know, alligator skin detail, but of course this entire bag is PVC. There are 2 types of straps. This is a regular kind of strap where you get your adjustable over here. This is the other strap where it is not adjustable. Ends of it is actually chain. This is so interesting. I want to try this one out. Look at how cute this is. Because this is not adjustable, it will make it like more of a shoulder bag instead of a sling bag. I love that the bag came with gold hardware, and that goes so well with the entire color scheme of the bag. As for the insides of the bag, it's not exactly very roomy. Definitely you can still put your makeup, your wallet, phone inside, and it's great for days you want to look a little bit cuter, you want to go cafe, hop in with your friends, you want to go out on a date. This was around $14. I got a really nice bag for below 15, and I love it. That's all the bags that I got, and now I'm ready to move into the shoes. Ooh. So this is my first pair of shoes. They are a pair of off-white kicks with some rubber brown details at the side. So lightweight and so damn soft. Oh my gosh, there's like a little flower over here. I didn't know. Man, so cute. I need to wear this now to feel the material on my legs. So pardon me, my feet are 245 cm. That's a little reference for you guys. When you read the comments, they will tell you that buy a little bit bigger, or you know, buy a little bit smaller, buy your size. That's really helpful. So I'm gonna just hold my leg like this while I talk about the shoe. This one's so lightweight, so comfy, quite aesthetic, I must say. There's actually two ways of wearing it. One like this, you can press it down super easily and you can just wear it as a mule. So this pair of shoes is actually $15, and is it worth the price? Yes, it ticked all my boxes. I'm so happy with this purchase. Yes, I know it resembles very closely to one of the branded shoes everyone knows about, but this one no brainer. It's a thicker PVC leather compared to the kicks just now, so it's sturdier, and over here we have these straw details to give it a very casual vibe, and white paired with this straw going with some flowy dress is just shouts vacation. They fit me perfectly. They are so cute. I need to stop showing you shoes in this weird angle. So the reason why it's so damn comfortable is because it's actually kind of stretchy, and also inside there's actually cushion, so it makes it like so nice to step on. $13, this pair of shoes definitely rock the price. I can see myself wearing this anywhere, everywhere, because of how cute it is. This next pair I'm super worried about because usually this is not my style, but when I saw it I was like, okay, I'm just gonna give it a go, and I'm not too sure how I'm gonna feel about it. On Ezbuy, they're called bow toe sandals, and they're around $7 for this pair. It's quite affordable. So for the material wise, I think it's pretty alright. For $7, it's good, it's sturdy, a little bit on the glossy side, but if you don't mind it, I think it's alright. It was toned down after some wear as well. Because this is a slightly narrower shoe, it definitely didn't complement me that well because my legs are slightly broader at the side, so they're like kind of flowing out and didn't look that cute. However, I think girls with slightly narrower legs, you can definitely give this a go. The detail, which is the purse with the gold hardware over here, would I recommend this? I think yes, but not exactly for myself. The kicks look like this. This is of a pinkish nudish shade PVC leather kicks. There's a bit of height, and I love that. It gives it a very structured, sturdy kind of look. I think that the cutting of this shoe is like so adorable. Very classic kind of cutting that wouldn't go wrong on anyone, and at the same time give you a little boost of height. And surprisingly, it's actually pretty lightweight, although there's a bit of like heel at the back, and really comfortable when you wear it in, and the leather is actually soft enough for your leg to bend around and actually not feel the leather. So it's very comfortable, and this was actually $9. So for this price, this comfort, this aesthetic, I am gonna say like yes. So before I open up this last pair of shoes, I actually bought 6 pairs initially, and Ezbuy as an agent actually managed to check that one pair had an issue with it. There was like discoloration, which means the color didn't match what was in the photo, and as well as there was like a missing item from the shoe itself. So they may ask me like, customer, if you still want this? I was like, no, it's totally different thing. So no, I didn't want it, and I let them know, and they had the money refunded, and they cancelled the order to avoid any disappointment and unhappiness. And I think that that is like so great that there's that communication. My last pair of shoes, this is a off-white furry velvetish material, kind of slip-ons, detail strap over here with gold hardware. I'm actually really surprised at how flattering this pair was on me. It's around $8, and I think for $8 this is some really nice quality shoes. These straps at the side, it kind of holds your leg together so it doesn't spill out at the side. So for girls with like broader legs, I would definitely recommend this pair. However, I think you have to size up a little bit more, because for me, I've sized up one size and it's still a little bit small. So that was all my bags and shoes, and I just want to share a little bit of like accessories with you guys. I picked up 10 pairs of socks, and damn, this is like really cheap. I got 10 pairs for $4. Really, the quality is really great because I have bought from them before, and look at all the colors. That's all for today's haul, and I am definitely really happy with this purchase. I got a bunch of great items at a really affordable price, and the quality is all like amazing for the price. All the links to the items are in the description below, but if you want to check out their other items, download their app for the hassle-free shopping experience where you can just buy all of their things like at this like really discounted rate. Go look for their $1 million markdown. Go look for their like flash sales. Go look for like the monthly sales. Go look for their like free shipping. There's a bunch of those, so look for those. Check out at a low price and quality. As usual, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe, join the family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.